Look at these fantastic trees. They are massive. Do you know what these huge trees are? If you guess red cedar, you are correct. These trees here are 300 years old or more. You can identify it by its stringy bark that looks like it can be pulled off. In fact, birds often use the bark to make nests. Also, another distinguishing feature, if you look at the greenery, instead of having leaves that look like needles, the leaves look flat and scaly, almost like the scales on a fish. You may have heard that cedar wood is rot resistant, and this is the reason why we use cedar for things like building roofs. Although the wood is rot resistant, after hundreds of years the middle will eventually hollow out, which is actually a great thing for the animals of the forest, including bears, that can then use the holes for dens. If you take a look at the base of this tree, you'll see a perfect example of this. Trees are the most important component of the temperate rainforest. They produce a climate all their own, which includes temperature, moisture, and protection from wind. This special climate is the reason why you'll find many organisms that can live in a rainforest and nowhere else. Once the trees are gone, all those organisms that rely on those trees are gone too. Something to consider is how we are connected to trees as well. An essential thing trees provide for us is the air we breathe. Plants and trees also give off organic compounds, which help protect them from parasites and disease. In addition, these compounds are also beneficial for human health by supporting our immune system. So I encourage you to take a few deep breaths and really appreciate the trees for the oxygen and healing they provide us. We're lucky that in Whistler we have a variety of tree species which protects forest from threats like disease, pests, and global warming. So if one tree species starts to die off, there are others that can fill their important role. We'll be pointing out other tree species along the way.